Traverse is a simple language. It is made out of aluminium and wood slats. And I guess it's creating an object which is both geometrical and organic in the same way. The countryside has been for sure quite some ingredient to draw traverse. And the place where I am is relatively raw, like a farming environment. You'd see a lot of nature, but a kind of nature that's been finding its own way. It's some piece of furniture that could let them anywhere, and they would hold very nicely. They will enjoy the rain, the sun, and step by step start to melt into the space. They've got this incredibly welcoming patina. You just think that they sit very naturally where they are, and yourself you would sit very naturally on top of them. Traverse is meant to be built by the person who is acquiring it. People will build them and will create a very easy and simple emotional link to the piece of furniture. I don't want to invent a lot. I don't want to create strangeness. I more want to face some beautiful reality.